it's time to clean it up because it's so dirty. It gets used a lot. This is probably one of my most used USB rechargeable battery fans ever. I've only had it for a few weeks and it already looks like I've had it for about 5 months without it ever being cleaned. Well, it's that time to clean it up. You don't want a fan to stay dirty too long. Hold on. Okay, so the fan is now clean. I cleaned up the blades. The guard is about as clean as it's going to get. I think I might have to go wash it out. But that's about it. And we're ready to go again. So 1 second. Okay, now the guard is clean. And the fan is clean. And now it's ready to be put back on. Not so sure I can do this with one hand, but we'll see. Actually, I can. So there it is. You just turn it to the your clockwise. You turn it counterclockwise to take the guard off, and then you turn it slightly clockwise to put it back on. And now let's go ahead and test it one more time. Go. And high speed. It's moving the air quite well. And off. And that's how you clean this DC fan when it gets real dirty. Thanks for watching. God bless you, man. Go.